Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am doing a couple more pages in my paint jip or tag art journal. This time I am using Fabri-Tac to glue my pages down instead of using matte medium, and this one is on cardstock, so it's a lot stiffer, so it worked well with the glue. And it is one of Gina's digiprints. I believe she has that in her shop. She might even have stickers if she has any left. I will link everything I use in the description box below. And I also have a coupon for her store too if you're interested in that. But really, I'm just playing around. I did my project for her design team already, and I'll link the previous videos down below so you can see those if you're interested in how I made my little journal that holds tags. It'll be down there. On this bird, I didn't want the white. I wanted to keep the bird white, so I was going around everything just with my black Micron. It's actually a brush pen, actually. And you know, I realize that black is really thick, so at some point I do trim that closer to the edge of the bird. I don't show you that part, but you'll see it's not as bold. That's another one of her digital items. I can't remember if that was did I stick that on or glue it? I could rewind and check. And then just some book text. I couldn't tell you what language that is in, but I know it's a Louis L'Amour book. But I'm just taking scraps and layering them just to make something interesting on this page. So now I'm going to add a word, but I didn't want it so stark, so I'm just taking one of my gelatos and turning it a little bit green because I thought that would go well with the stuff that's going on in the background. And it's just a faint green. I'm just trying to smear it around on there. There. And I'm just drawing the words out of a bag and just picking the thing that just strikes me at the moment. So that's where those words come from. So I decided to pick this paper because it had a little bit of yellow, kind of went with the yellow paper that I already have creating my page. So I thought it went well together. And that is more of Gina Bieren's Painty Papers. I really like her Painty Papers as background, and I also like it as just bits and pieces for collaging like this. It's kind of fun. So I have this box full of washi tape and I don't use it enough, so I committed that I need to use it on this book. And I'm sorry I can't tell you where some of it came from, but the most likely place is Michael's because that's where I shop a lot. And I decided to use that one because it has words on it as the phrase for this page. So trying to come up with something for a focal point. I have, this is my little, one of my ephemera folders. And I decided those flowers are contrasty enough that they kind of stand out, and I liked it, so that's what we're going with. Oh, did you like the little ephemera folder? That's what I decided to create to hold all my stuff. I had it in a photo album, but everything kept sliding out, so I have like 4 or 5 of those little folders. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.